Polti, creators of Vaporetto Steam Cleaning, are proud to showcase the SV420 Frescovapor Steam Mop, combining the lightness of steam with the power of experience. The SV420 Frescovapor is the new steam mop that freshens your home whilst cleaning hygienically. It's easy to use, lightweight with a slim design, easy to maneuver, flexible, and thanks to the Vapor Force brush, it's able to clean all corners and reach the most difficult spaces. Using the power of steam for hygienic cleaning, it removes dirt at the same time as killing and removing 99.9% of germs, bacteria and viruses without the use of harmful chemicals. And with its integrated rear bristles, effectively tackles even the most stubborn dirt. The SV420 Frescovapor is ideal for cleaning every kind of floor, wooden, tiled, marble or delicate floors, and perfect for refreshing carpets and rugs in a convenient way. The Vapor Force brush also includes a Frescovapor dispenser to neutralize smells and provide a pleasant, long-lasting freshness after cleaning. The SV420 Frescovapor Steam Mop guarantees maximum ease of use and fast cleaning. The cloth can be easily attached and removed. The detachable water tank can be refilled quickly and easily with tap water, thanks to the integrated anti-calc filter that helps prevent the build-up of limescale and enhance the effectiveness of steam. Plus, it's ready for use in just 15 seconds. Cleaning all around your home has never been so easy with the Vaporetto SV420 Frescovapor Steam Mop from Polti. Polti, the secret to a natural home feeling.